Edge ERP is a single, integrated solution to handle an organization's core processes. It is geared towards a variety of industries and verticals including trading and distribution, manufacturing, contracting, fleet and workshops, worker villages, human capital management and real estate. While Edge ERP's functional core is based on finance, it is inclusive of a comprehensive set of tools to manage inventory, purchases, and sales. The solution also includes modules for human capital management, production, and asset management within its ecosystem. This short video showcases the features available in Edge ERP's Fleet and Workshop Management solution. Masters available in the Fleet and Workshop module. Transactions available in the Fleet and Workshop module. 50+ reports available in the Fleet and Workshop module. The Fleet and Workshop flow graph provides an interactive, easy-to-follow, graphical navigation of the system flow. Creation of masters including fleet, suppliers and customers, items, units, and locations are necessary prior to starting the workshop flow. Maintenance can be either corrective or preventive. Corrective can be either accidental or non-accidental. Preventive can be by mileage or frequency or both. Corrective, accidental maintenance starts with the creation of an accident record, followed by service request and job card. An insurance estimate and insurance claim can also be raised against the accident record. Corrective, non-accidental maintenance starts with the service request followed by the job card. Preventive maintenance requires a preventive maintenance schedule to be created against the vehicle first. The schedule can be created by mileage or frequency or both. Once this is available, then service requests can be raised against the schedule, followed by the job card. The job card execution involves adding material, manpower and service cost applicable for completing the job. Material in stock can be issued to the job via goods issue. Manpower and additional cost can be added as well. Work orders can be generated against each line item in the job card and tasks can be assigned to complete the work orders. Once the job is completed, it can be closed and a job invoice can be raised against the job card. The Fleet Master is created in a tree structure to organize and categorize the fleet. The structure can be defined as company, type, category, subcategory, and a vehicle at the 5th level. GL account definition for purchase, depreciation, and disposal details can be defined on the 2nd level. Type. Detailed information regarding the vehicle can be recorded including category, customer, registration details, manufacturer details, physical details, and identification, engine details. Tire information can also be recorded here. Additional information regarding purchase can be recorded and is reflected based on the system transactions. Further assignment details regarding location, division, and driver can also be defined here. Complaints to be registered against vehicles can be defined as required in the system. Insurance details can be used to record and maintain insurance policies against vehicles. Policies can be recorded for multiple vehicles as well. In case of corrective maintenance involving an accident, the accident record can be recorded in the system against the vehicle with all required details including document attachments, if any. Insurance estimate can be raised against the accident record and supporting documents can be attached if required. Insurance claim can be raised against the insurance estimate, recording all the required information and automatically passing the required financial entries. Supporting documents can be attached if required. Preventive maintenance schedules can be created by mileage or frequency or both, whichever comes first. The maintenance frequency master can be used to define the mileage, in either kilometers, or hours, or frequency in days. Service request can be raised via a service appointment request, or directly, for either own vehicles, or for customer vehicles. The selected vehicle details will fill in the detail grid. In case of breakdown, the service request can be marked as a breakdown. In case vehicle off-road time is to be maintained, then the VOR, date and time, should be recorded. Request type, either corrective or preventive, needs to be selected. This will fill automatically in case it is from a service appointment request. Maintenance type, accidental, non-accidental or warranty, will need to be selected. If accident record and claim exist, then the system will fill that automatically. Complaints against the vehicle can be recorded in the description column. Complaints can be added as required by pressing F9 in the description. Driver can be selected here. If the driver has been assigned to the vehicle, then it will fill here automatically. Odometer reading from last job card can be seen and current reading can be updated. AC hours reading from last job card can be seen and current reading can be updated. Material estimate can be added here. The items required against each complaint can be defined to arrive at the total material estimate. Labor estimate can be added here. The labor involved, including mechanic, hourly rate, and hours required against the complaint, and job category can be recorded to arrive at the total labor estimate. Third-party or external repairs can be added here. The third-party cost involved, including required quantity, the rate, complaint, and job category can be recorded to arrive at the total third-party estimate. The material, labor, and third-party amounts can be seen in the footer along with the gross total, applicable VAT, and net total. Documents can be attached to the service request as required. Additional information, narration against the service request can be added, if required. Job card can be raised via service request for either own vehicles or for customer vehicles. The service request number will need to be selected. On selecting the service request, all details will be filled automatically into the vehicle detail grid. Complaints selected in the service request will populate automatically, and additional complaints, if any, can be added if required. Material selected in the service request will populate automatically. Selected material quantity can be revised, and additional material, if any, can be added if required. Manpower details selected in the service request will populate automatically. Manpower details can be revised, and additional details, if any, can be added if required. Third-party repair details selected in the service request will populate automatically. Selected details can be revised, and additional details, if any, can be added if required. Material issued history can easily be seen on the job card. Odometer reading from last job card can be seen, and current reading can be updated. The next view is shown in case PMS exists. AC hours reading from last job card can be seen, and current reading can be updated. The next view is shown in case PMS exists. Site request can be generated on click of a button automatically based on the material quantities entered. Stock inventory check then automates the issuance of material to the job. If stock is available, then it will be transferred from the selected location automatically to the job location. The auto stock transfer is cross-referenced on the stock inventory check. Once the stock transfer is generated, the system will auto-generate the goods issue to job card. This will affect accounts. The WIP ledger is debited and the inventory ledger is credited. The auto goods issue is cross-referenced on the stock inventory check. If stock is not available, then material request will be raised automatically by the system from the stock inventory check. The material request is cross-referenced on the stock inventory check. Purchase orders can then be generated from the material request as required, either single, with one supplier, or partial, with multiple suppliers. Once stock is received from the supplier, then the GRN can be made against the PO. This will affect inventory and provisional ledger, GRN done PI pending, against the supplier, which will be reversed on the purchase invoice. Stock inventory check can then be used again to automate the issuance of material to the job. Work orders can be generated against each line item in the job card, and tasks can be assigned to the technicians selected in the manpower details to complete the work orders. Work orders raised are visible on the work order management dashboard. The work order tasks assigned can be monitored and executed from the dashboard with the start, pause, resume, hold, and complete actions. The system captures the time spent on a task, and updates this on the job card manpower details, against the respective technician. Details of the work order task history can be seen here, with details regarding the start, pause, resume, hold, and complete actions. Once the work order tasks are completed, then the line item on the job card can be marked as closed. The job card will then need to be closed by the user, supervisor, who has the specific job card closing rights. The job card closing date and time is recorded. Account entries are passed automatically, where the expense ledger is debited and WIP is credited. Job cards raised are visible on the job card dashboard. Job cards can be sorted based on filters like all, open, close, accidental, non-accidental, and warranty. This can also be exported into Excel if required. Once the job card is closed, then a job card invoice can be raised against the job card. Various reports are available in the system, such as Job-wise Profitability Report, Vehicle-wise Job Cost, Job Account Ledger, Fleet Register, Work Orders against job cards, and many more. Thank you for watching this video. Do check out our other short videos on Edge ERP's features and functionalities, or reach out to us to schedule a free consultation.